Anton, you ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Welcome everybody back to the channel. Welcome to our dyno day. Before we get started rolling the cars on the dyno to see who brags about the most horsepower or the least amount of horsepower they make, there's a few people that helped make this possible. I want to thank Mark and Steven at Pepsi for some door prizes. The guys at Circle D helped out. I took Performance and those guys for some door prizes. James and Brian at Advanced Auto Parts. Nobles, Johnny works over there. Nobles, thank them for that. Am I forgetting anybody?
No, I think that's it.
I think that's it?
Yeah.
Except for one more person. Anton.
Oh yeah.
Lightning Quick Glides. Want to give a shout out to Anton. He helped make this dyno day possible too. And what we've got here is he's calling this the Coyote Killer transmission.
It's like bug spray for Fords.
You heard it. He said it. But anyway, Anton, we have been talking to you for a pretty good while now. I can actually count this one right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of your transmissions in cars in this shop, not counting the ones that we've done and sent out the door and raced with, and there's probably going to be some more showing up.
Right, some more showing up. Yep.
But as far as for you and what you do, Lightning Quick Glides, just want to give people a refresher on what you do and how you do it.
Yep. Been doing glides for a little while. Think figured out a recipe. They seem to perform well in cars and not just perform well, but be reliable. And that's what we shoot for. What we try to do is just give somebody something that works well, runs fast. They don't, provide converter services, help tuning some on the transmission side of things. A lot of phone calls, messages about that stuff. Just trying to grow, trying to keep learning, and enjoying being part of this whole family here at Carolina Performance.
Yeah, and then if somebody wants to get a hold of you, what's the best way to?
Really, Facebook Messenger is the best way. There's a phone number too, 828-290-5607. You can get hold of me about any time.
And if y'all got any problems getting a hold of him, just hit us up and we'll poke him a little bit for you too. But as far as that goes, like I said, Carolina Performance and Lightning Quick Glides have teamed up together now. And like I said, we've got a couple of, I feel like winning combinations getting ready to happen. So I feel like this is going to be going on out here for what we talked about winning the racing. Some people thought we're going to like, well, there's probably nothing really special in there. You never know.
Yeah.
Till you try. So
quite a few builds in the works. So we're going to be hitting the scene one car after another in the next couple of years, I feel like. Yeah.
So like I said, it's like anybody, it takes time to get there, but like I said, you got to start somewhere. And I feel like we've got a good combination starting right here. So stay with us. Be sure you subscribe, like the channel. Hopefully you enjoy the project. about this one here is brand new, and it's got like 3,000 miles on it. So it does have a speed limiter on it of like 105, somewhere around in there. So if you guys wondering what this thing's going to make stock, you're about to find out. Okay, this was a 6-gear pull, and like I said, this truck is still stock, and it's got a factory speed limiter like 105, and that was basically right at 103. So, gotta go with what they give you. See what this Mustang made right here. 1,098 right there. There you go. I talked to the owner. He said this was the stage 1 package right here. All right, for the stage 1, we ended up 588 right there. It's not bad. Torque 535.
Is that the DYNO plug
Yeah.
I've heard so much about?
Yeah.
You can't see all the cheated up stuff.
Tell us a little bit about this car,
There
kid.
ain't nothing to tell.
Just tell us.
It's got headers and a tune on it.
What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think it's gonna make?
I have no clue.
450,
It might.
500,
No.
450.
If it does, it's probably the only one ever. Yeah, stainless work.
Beautiful car. He's also on E85, so should do pretty good. back to back to back pulls, and this thing ended up making
457.
457, 454, and 457. Pretty good.
Hey, look, some flat up top too.
I don't think I have headers.
Headers in the 80.
Let's see what the final numbers on this one right here is.
That is wrong.
All right, with the filter cover, the 682, take it off and just leave the ESS sitting there with nothing on it, 731. Then add that little cover back to it. It goes back to 718, so it's interesting to see the difference in the power it makes with just those small changes right there. Well, Dyno Day has come and gone, and I would like to thank everyone that come out and supported us, that put their car on a dyno, those that come to watch. And for you guys that that have any questions about anything as far as the Coyote GM LS platform, I'm going to leave our website below, and if you're interested in some work or some tuning or something, just shoot us an email and we'll get back to you. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and of course you can subscribe right here to YouTube. Appreciate everyone for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.